Anybody want to do an unboxing with me? RUNSTAR electric impact wrench, 20 volts, 350 Newton something torque. It's supposed to use it to remove tires, tire bolts. Reverse self-stop, lasting endurance. Same thing on this side. Oh, 20 volts lithium. And as you see, you're just supposed to use it for tire bolts. So, it's not taped or anything. It came like this. I'll explain in a second why I was interested in this, although it's too late. Okay, let's see. Charger. Oh, mystery box. I think these are the bolts that you're supposed to use for the common car bolts. The battery pack. "20-volt lithium, 2 amps. Okay, so I'm guessing it looks like the connectors are here. And the meter reading is here. Okay. Oh, it weighs a bit, let me tell you. Okay. Oh, the power switch is here. I don't know why it won't stay, but okay. Maybe you have to hold it down when you're using it. We'll see. So, my guess, it looks like it goes like this. Okay, but does have an LED light. Oh. Okay, came with a little bit of juice. Interesting. So the reason I got this was for this, a 4 1/4 inch hole cut saw. And this is the adapter for the hole cut saw. But once again, I am defeated. I had to borrow a friend's 1/2-inch drill to use this, and I wound up not using it anyway because it kept jumping. I wonder how you turn that light off. Alright, so see one of these. I don't know if you can see, it's got a squareness in it. There. See it? So it fits over. Two-sided too, which is cool. Oh, okay, does this come out? I don't think so. Oh, it's an impact wrench, so that's, I guess it's gonna do that. Okay. Okay. Doesn't come out. Oh, yes, it does. All right. Now, so try the other one, all right? Smaller size. And this one, as you can see. And they go in both ways. So 2 pieces, 4 fits. Okay, I guess it's in. Yep. That didn't move too much. Well, maybe it is only one way. Oh. 19 millimeter. Still kind of slips. I am doing something wrong. There. Wow, that was like, I don't even understand. Oh, it's an impact wrench. So when you press it, that's when you get the force. Saw that? All right. Signing out.